Hello friends and welcome to Anka classes. So we'll continue with another question from linear equation in two variable. Okay. So question is a rectangle is of the same area as another which is 6 meter long, longer and 4 meter narrower. It is also the same area as a third rectangle which is 8 meter longer and 5 meter narrower. Find the area of the rectangle. So rectangle rectangle si kamai tawge hai matamda mazi atoppa rectangle 6 meter sangba ondagi hena 4 meter pikpa natra pakpa 4 meter taba sigi rectangle 6 meter longer and 4 meter narrower sigi area siga chap mane yantare ko sigi rectangle se amuk third rectangle amuga chap mane ye area se third rectangle sina kamai tawba 8 meter longer and 5 meter narrower to find the area of the rectangle. Okay, so we'll analyze the question. Analyze the matungda, you'll have a proper understanding. Okay, so equate the rectangle amma nadra rectangle ahum lowers ani and ahum rectangle ahum lowers. Okay, now rectangle ahum si mana kai harami rectangle jina we'll call this rectangle 1. The rectangle rectangle 1 hai si sina 2 hai si sina 3 hai si. Okay, mana pirami rectangle sigi khoina lawriba rectangle je will magi length sina khoina x ne lawrasi magi breadth sina y ne lawrasi adu oiba taradi nadra magi area se kya laani x into y which is xy. Okay, now mathang da mana kai hare sigi rectangle ji second rectangle ki area ga manai hai. Okay, kamaina karamba rectangle no second rectangle si haibida which is 6 meter longer hai. 6 meter longer oita di magi je kya horani x plus 6 or oidra. Similarly magi si 4 meter narrower hai the y minus 4. Okay, now second rectangle ki area se kya ho raha hai x plus 6 into y minus 4. Nare ko adai mathang da mu kai hare area ji third rectangle amu ga zoom manai third rectangle jina 8 meter longer hai adu eta di x plus 8 and 5 meter narrower hai y minus 5 adu eta di sigi area ji kya le raha x plus 8 and y minus 5. Okay, now adu oibu taradi let's see question ji yeng ji ko area je 1 ga 2 ga manarabani na sidai da ekoina equation ama same ba yare adu equation ji kaino haiba matamda x plus 6 hariba into y minus 4 hariba area siga masai first rectangle ji area siga manaradra. So the second rectangle ki area siga first rectangle ki area siga manara will call this equation 1. Similarly so nakanda third rectangle ki area is x plus 8 into y minus 5 haiba area siga hanagi first rectangle siga area siga manai haibani na will call this equation 2. Okay, so this is the question jina hai is senior. Okay, so how is it go solution? So solution nadra solution na kai habi hai koina let x meter and y meter be the length and breadth of the given rectangle. Okay, now then kayani area or given rectangle height zu aikoina sigi potsi line aba I will call this the first rectangle. Nadra. So area of the first rectangle is equal to x into y square meter. Now length of the second rectangle. मतलब second rectangle की length से क्या आता है x plus 6 meter. मतलब similarly breadth of the second rectangle से क्या आता है नहीं y minus 4 meter. Okay. ಅದು होता दी है कोई ना कहीं है रे area of the second rectangle से कहीं है भी आ रहा है x plus 6 मतलब multiplied by y minus 4 square meter. Here we go. So this is the first equation. So from question देखिए कहीं है सब माने है अपने थ्रो एरियाज है. This is the first area जी कोई ना हम rectangle के area जी भी रही. So we have xy is equal to x plus 6 into y minus 4. Natra. So area of the first rectangle is equal to area of the second rectangle. So we have xy is equal to simplify towards the x y minus 4 plus 6 y minus 4. So we have xy is equal to xy minus 4x plus 6y minus 24. Otherwise, xy variable में हम जी left hand side thang do raji. So we have 4x minus 6y is equal to minus 24. We'll call this equation 1. Similarly, second equation the same length of the third rectangle. Length of the third rectangle से क्या था कि कोई ना ये मतलब x plus 8 x plus 8 meter. Similarly breadth of the third rectangle से क्या था नहीं y minus 5 5 meter narrower है. Now area of the third rectangle से क्या था is equal to x plus 8 into y minus 5 square meter. Okay. Adu ita the from question. Natra. Chop माने है भी ना first rectangle की area का chop माने है भी ना x y into y x plus 8 y minus 5. Okay. So we have xy is equal to x y minus 5 plus 8 y minus 5. Otherwise, the xy is equal to xy minus 5x plus 8y minus 40. Okay, xy and all variables variable over term. So we have 5x minus 8y is equal to minus 40. Okay, so we'll call this equation 2. Equation 1 equation 2 equation 1 equation 2 कोई नाम elimination method solve तौर. Okay, elimination method solve तौर the x की जी solve तौर गया है तो सोना कम 4 ले रहे coefficient 5 ले रहे 20 था लसी. Okay, अदु होता दी multiplying equation 1 by 5 we get equation 1 5 ने multiply तौर से. So 4x minus 6y CC equation of 5 ने multiply तौर से. मतलब right hand side के ले रहा है minus 24 5 into minus 24 which is equal to 5 into 4 20 x minus 6 into 5 30y is equal to 24 into 5 minus 120. We'll call this equation 3. Nadra. Similarly, multiplying equation 2 by 4, we get Nadra. Equation 2 4 multiply towards 4, 5x minus 8y is equal to 4 into minus 40. Nadra. Okay. Otherwise, 5 into 4 is 20x minus 4 into 8 is 32y, which is equal to minus 160. We'll call this equation 4. Okay. Now equation 3 or 4 is subtracting equation 3 from equation 4. Okay. Equation 4 dagi 3 je khai do. So 20x minus 32y. Masidagi aikoina equation 3 je khai do. So we have 20x minus 30y, which is equal to minus 160 minus of minus 120. Okay. So, bracket we have 20x minus 32y minus 20x plus 30y, okay, is equal to minus 160 plus 120. 20x cancel to 32y minus 32y plus 30y is minus 2y. So, minus 160 plus 120 is minus 40. Okay, so we have y is equal to minus 40 upon minus 2, which is equal to 20. Y value 20 tare. So substituting y is equal to 20 in equation 1. Equation 1, the y is equal to 20. Okay, so equation 1, we have equation 1 is equal to 4x minus 6y is equal to minus 24. So we have 4x minus 6y is equal to minus 24. So y is equal to 20. 4x minus 6 into 20 is equal to minus 24. So 4x is equal 4x minus 120 is equal to minus 24. So 4x is equal to minus 24 plus 120. So 4x is equal to minus 24 plus 120 is 96. So we have x is equal to 96 upon 4. So 4, 2 and 4, 4. Okay. So x ko y gi value fange. Adu ita di now length kya tara of the rectangle. X log given in 24 meter. And breadth of the rectangle. Okay, y is equal to 20 meter. Therefore, the required area of the rectangle. Rectangle area xy, which is equal to 24 into 20. 480 square meter. Okay, so this is how we solve this question. It's a very simple question. Magi question je kitang koi na phazana understand to bom chang sigi concepts. This particular analysis of the question. So you understand already half of the question is finished there only. Okay, so thank you for joining Anka classes. I hope you had fun and we'll meet once again.